yung mga madalas magsogo, meron na kayong
Alam na this.
valid reason kung bakit yung punta ng sogo.
Bukod sa innovation ng technology, mahilig din kumain.
Okay.
Kahit hindi mag-check-in. So,
Okay.
we were able to develop restaurants in Hotel
Yan.
Sogo.
Magandang usapan yung pagkain. Kasi, actually, medyo nagutom ako. Kasi I do intermittent fasting every now and then. So, kanina, nung tinitingnan ko yung mga pictures, yung mga materials, sabi ko, ang sarap ng pagkain And, nabanggit nga po sa akin that Sogo is now focusing on food and beverage. So, can you tell me more about this product that you're developing, the Sogo Food? Or is
Hindi
this brand?
naman nag-focus. We just want it to be available to people who wouldn't check in. Meron talaga kaming 24/7 food and beverage service. Now, we have a restaurant sa lobby. So,
Okay.
kung gusto mong kumain lang, since open naman kami 24/7, pwede kang kumain doon. Mag-order ka na lang ng food.
In fact, there is a very close branch of Sogo near us. It's walking distance from our place. So, kung pupunta kami doon, we can always say na we're here to eat.
That is where Sogo Food Restaurant was given birth.
Okay.
Literally, we are giving or we are serving the food inside the hotel.
Correct.
We are just serving it outside.
Ano ang inyong specialty sa Sogo Food Restaurant?
Half fried chicken ang tawag nila.
Half fried chicken.
Pero pag bumili ka ng dalawa, whole fried chicken na yun.
Okay.
Tsaka yung
It's about
pancit
time I should.
canton.
Pancit canton. Okay.
Di totoo yung pancit canton. Masarap talaga. Ang daming, if you would see these advertisements or these vlogs, lagi chicken or check-in.
Kaya pala.
Diba?